Hello everybody, hope you're all well and having a good weekend. It's fly day tomorrow. I'm not flying today because we've got bad storms this afternoon and it's really windy, 50-mile-an-hour winds. So I'm not putting out today, they're going out tomorrow. These three here are last flies birds. The blue and two little reds. I wanted to put all four blues in. This hen, this blue and that blue, but this blue's got dirty wattles. I'm not really 100% sure about this pigeon. It's dirty wattles compared to everybody else, so I don't think I'm going to fly it. So that might have to be the blue from last fly. This blue here, which is number one, that is out the same nest pair as that. That was a second rounder, and that was a first rounder. So they're two the same way bred. And then it might be this little red here, this red here, or I might put this red here in. I'm not sure. Let's get that red back. I'm not sure what to put in really. I suppose it'd be nice to go for 3 blues, but it's not going to happen. So we might go for one more red. Swap that blue for a red, but I'm undecided on which one. One that flew last fly, or a fresh one. I'll check out the droppings in the morning. But, this one's got perfect droppings. That's not too great. This blue was up here a minute ago, but I just swapped them over so I can show you all 3 that were last fly. So they're droppings from the blue, which is in there now, and then they're the reds droppings that I just moved up there. I'm going to give these a quick scrape again now, and then say that I might just put this blue back now. Now I've shown you which were last week's birds, last fly's birds. There you go, they're back where they were now. So they've all got their own box again, so I can monitor their drop-ins. These have all been scraped out and cleaned this morning. That's looking a bit not sure about. But yeah, these droppings are not great at all, and like I say, he's got dirty wattles, so I'm not sure about that. So yeah, tomorrow's fly is going to be this blue, and one of these 3 reds. Well, I've got some more. I could put this red in. Or I could put this red in. But that's poked up a bit now. That's got that. Now he's gone in there. Just get him out of there. There we go. Go on, you. So yeah, I've got to pick a different pigeon. It's not worth trying that one. Right. Thanks for watching, checking in, and we'll see you tomorrow, and then we'll see which birds we've decided to put up. Bye for now.